The action.
Outstanding morning, Edmarkers. I'm Mr. Arnold Daab, Audit Manager of Edmark International. I'm honored to share my personal health transformation with the help of Edmark Cafe Power Block. A journey that not only changed my body, but also renewed my confidence and purpose. Last January 2022, I was diagnosed with grade 2 fatty infiltration liver and was advised by my doctor to lose weight as I was overweight. The diagnosis came as a wake-up call, and I knew I needed to take my health seriously. That is when I decided to take Edmark Cafe Power Block, not once or twice, but 5 times daily consistently. I chose Cafe Power Block because of its powerful transformation, enriched with Ganoderma extract, known for its detoxification, fat burning, and liver supporting properties. After 2 months, I came back to the hospital for a follow-up checkup. And the results truly amazed me. My fatty liver, which was previously at grade 2, had improved dramatically to mild fatty liver. This confirmed that something was working, and I knew it was the Cafe Power Block making a difference. I continued my daily habits of consuming Edmark Cafe Power Block. Then on June 11, 2025, I went back for another ultrasound checkup. To my surprise and overwhelming joy, the result read, unremarkable sonogram of the liver. This meant that my fatty liver was back to normal in size, shape, and texture, as if the fatty liver had never existed. From grade 2 fatty liver to normal with consistent intake of Edmark Cafe Power Block and proper lifestyle changes. Thank you, Edmark Cafe Power Block.
Okay.
Very good.